Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets, your trusted source for valuable investment insights, stock recommendations, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we'll delve into the undervalued green hydrogen stocks to watch, where we are diving into the fascinating realm of green hydrogen, a revolutionary energy source poised to transform industries worldwide. So before we start, if you find value in this video, please support our channel by liking and subscribing to our weekly updates. Now, let's get started. Have you heard of the revolutionary energy source known as green hydrogen? It's making waves worldwide as a game changer in decarbonizing industries like steel production and chemicals. Imagine harnessing renewable energy to power these carbon-heavy sectors, paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Just recently, the European Union gave the green light to Germany's ambitious €2.2 billion initiative, focusing on using green hydrogen and electrification to decarbonize industry. And that's not all. Brazil has also jumped on the green hydrogen bandwagon, with over 60 deals already signed, showcasing its rising prominence on the global stage. But what's truly exciting is the groundbreaking partnership between ABB, a leading U.S. electrical products maker, and Green Hydrogen International. Together, they're embarking on a mission to construct a state-of-the-art plant capable of churning out a whopping 280,000 tons of green hydrogen every year. And according to experts at Bloomberg, green hydrogen could soon rival the cost of natural gas-fueled hydrogen by 2030, marking a monumental shift in energy economics. Now, let's turn our attention to three undervalued hydrogen stocks that are primed for growth. But before we dive in, have you considered the potential of investing in renewable energy? It's not just about profits, it's about shaping a cleaner, greener future for generations to come. So are you ready to uncover these hidden gems in the hydrogen sector? Stay tuned as we reveal the promising prospects of these stocks and how they could potentially supercharge your investment portfolio. First on our list is Bloom Energy, ticker BE. A standout in the hydrogen fuel cell industry. Trading at a modest price-sales ratio of just 1.9 times, Bloom Energy presents an enticing investment prospect. What's more, industry analysts are bullish on its growth trajectory, forecasting an 11% revenue uptick this year, followed by a staggering 24% surge in 2025. CEO KR Sridhar sheds light on the burgeoning demand for electricity in the U.S., setting the stage for Bloom Energy's fuel cells to shine. In particular, data centers are turning to alternative power solutions, presenting a ripe opportunity for Bloom Energy to thrive. But why stop there? Have you ever considered the potential of fuel cells to revolutionize how we power our world? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating realm of energy innovation. Bloom Energy's flagship product, the Bloom Energy Server, stands at the forefront of this transformative technology. These modular power generation systems offer a cleaner and more sustainable alternative to traditional energy sources, making them an ideal choice for businesses looking to reduce their carbon footprint and energy costs. What sets Bloom Energy apart is not just its innovative products, but also its commitment to driving positive change in the energy landscape. Recent partnerships with major corporations and government entities highlight the growing recognition of Bloom Energy's technology as a game changer in the transition to a sustainable energy future. In the stock market, Bloom Energy has been making waves despite broader market volatility. BE shares have shown resilience, buoyed by growing investor confidence in the company's long-term prospects. Analysts are optimistic about Bloom Energy's ability to capitalize on the expanding market opportunities, further bolstering its position as a leader in the hydrogen fuel cell industry. As we continue to witness the evolution of the energy sector, Bloom Energy remains at the forefront of innovation, shaping the future of how we power our world. Keep an eye on BE stock as it continues to captivate investors and redefine the future of energy. Now, before we dive into the next stock, let's pause for a quick, thought-provoking pit stop. Here's a question to fuel your curiosity. Do you think green hydrogen could be the future of energy in your country? Share your thoughts below. Moving on, let's explore Linde, ticker LIN. A powerhouse in the industrial gas sector, Linde boasts a profitable industrial gas business and is poised for further expansion with the upcoming launch of 2 clean hydrogen plants. This strategic move is expected to fuel Linde's long-term growth and solidify its position as a key player in the hydrogen market. With a low enterprise value EBITDA ratio of just 19.3 times, Linde presents an attractive investment opportunity for discerning investors. The company's solid financial performance and robust business fundamentals make it a compelling choice for those seeking stable returns with growth potential. Linde's recent success doesn't stop there. The company has already secured a major customer for its Texas clean hydrogen plant, signaling a significant milestone in its clean energy initiatives. This partnership positions Linde for substantial revenue growth in the coming years, further bolstering its market position and investor confidence. In the ever-evolving landscape of sustainable energy, Linde stands out as a beacon of innovation and progress. With its strategic investments in clean hydrogen production and strong track record of delivering value to shareholders, Linde is well-positioned positioned to thrive in the transition to a greener future. Keep a close watch on Linde stock as it continues to chart new heights and redefine the boundaries of sustainable energy solutions. This could be an exciting opportunity to ride the wave of change and contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable world while securing your financial future. Last but certainly not least, let's turn our attention to Plug Power, ticker Plug, a trailblazer in the realm of green hydrogen production. With a keen eye on the future, Plug Power is seizing the opportunity to capitalize on the surging demand for clean energy solutions and favorable regulatory incentives. Despite facing previous setbacks, Plug Power remains undeterred in its mission to produce green hydrogen cost-effectively. The company is optimistic about its prospects, with potential gross margins projected to exceed $7 per kilogram. This bullish outlook underscores Plug Power's confidence in its ability to overcome challenges and emerge as a frontrunner in the green hydrogen market. What's more, Plug Power has secured major commitments from retail giants like Walmart and Amazon, who are eager to embrace sustainable energy solutions. These partnerships not only validate Plug Power's innovative approach, but also serve as a catalyst for further growth and expansion. As Plug Power continues to make waves with its green hydrogen initiatives, investors are taking notice of its potential to revolutionize the energy landscape. With a focus on innovation, strategic partnerships, and a commitment to sustainability, Plug Power is well positioned to lead the charge towards a greener, more sustainable future. Keep a close watch on Plug stock as it navigates the evolving energy market and paves the way for a cleaner, more sustainable tomorrow. This could be an exciting opportunity to invest in a company at the forefront of the green energy revolution and reap the rewards of its visionary leadership. As we look ahead, the production of green hydrogen presents lucrative opportunities for investors, with companies like Bloom Energy, Linde, and Plug Power leading the charge towards a sustainable future. Taking a quick glance at our lineup of green game changers, we've got Bloom Energy with a market cap of $2.33 billion, and analysts are giving it a solid buy with a target of $16.23. Linde is a true heavyweight at $15.32 billion, and not only pays a dividend, but also sports a buy rating with an eye-catching target of $477.16. Then there's Plug Power, valuing in at $1.94 billion, currently rated as neutral with a more modest target of $5.12. These figures paint a compelling picture of where these players stand in the market, setting the stage for what could be an electrifying investment journey. In the vanguard of sustainable energy, Bloom Energy, Linde, and Plug Power shine as innovative leaders. Bloom Energy's fuel cell technology is revolutionizing power generation, with revenue expected to see significant jumps of 11% and 24% over the next 2 years. Linde's established presence in industrial gases, combined with its expansion into clean hydrogen, offers investors a blend of stability and pioneering growth. And Plug Power is aggressively pushing into green hydrogen, with influential partnerships that signal strong market confidence. Each company's strategy reflects a distinct approach to capitalizing on the green energy transition. Bloom Energy is scaling up its clean power technologies, Linde is fortifying its hydrogen production capabilities, and Plug Power is driving forward with strategic alliances and a focus on green hydrogen affordability. Together, they present compelling opportunities for those looking to invest in the intersection of financial growth and environmental stewardship. Their unique positions in the market suggest that investing in these companies could mean investing in a greener and more sustainable future. As we wrap up our exploration of the dynamic world of green hydrogen and its champions, I have one more question to spark your thoughts. Which green hydrogen stock are you most excited about investing in? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, investing involves risks, and it's essential to conduct thorough research before making any financial decisions. If you found value in this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful content. And as always, remember that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Happy investing.